I'm Dr. Jagadeesh, PC, a senior consultant orthopedic surgeon, practicing orthopedics, general orthopedics, and trauma, arthroscopy, and replacements, which includes the knee replacement, shoulder replacement, as well as the hip replacement, and specialized in arthroscopy and sports medicine. Unlike in bone problems, bone fractures and all, knee ligament injuries and ligament reconstructed patients do not have to bother about any food. Here the food is not going to heal up your ligament. Only thing is they have to take care of themselves is good exercises, good strengthening the muscles which is weakened after the surgery or after taking a long the rest after the injury. So food like unless what we encourage if the food is they can have a good vitamins and good protein. Apart from that, unless and they should not go on put on their weights. So if they maintain the strengthen the muscles and a good rehab with an exercises, they can come back to their sports activities or their individual's pre-injury activities to as early as possible.